So this tire is leaking from the rim, and I was trying to see what I can do besides bringing it to mechanic. And one guy said a farmer uses grease to seal the rim and then pumps air, and I'm not sure if that works if it's not sitting correctly or if that works in general. And I don't have grease, so I'm going to use Vaseline. See if that works. And I don't have gloves, so I use this. And we're going to give it a shot. If that's what's going to reset the seal on the lip of the rim. If not, we're going to have to bring it in and resurface the rim, I guess. Which I didn't want to do. Oh, that's pretty messy. Let's see if I got everything. Put it in there. Put it in here. Does that look like it's sealed? Don't know, I can't see from the bottom. Let's slap it on. Alright. Quick, will this work or not? What's your guess? My guess, it will not, but who knows? What? Feel the ears. I'm gonna go up to 50 just to see the snap sit in place. All right. Alright guys, I guess we'll find out in a couple of days if it worked or not.